Racing as expected, we have My Lady Hannah. Break quickly at the start, moving a party outside. Serikit, Teritun in the middle. Power of the Wind, Royal Scepter comes next, while My Sweet Swanee is the early trailer. Back to the leader, we have My Lady Hannah by about 2 lengths, followed closely by Serikit in second. Then on the inside, third comes Teritun, 2.5 lengths. Further back in fourth comes Royal Scepter. Power of the Wind comes next, while My Sweet Swanee is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have My Lady Hannah by a length and a half. Serikit in second, moving apart the outside. Royal Scepter, Teritun is down on the inside. Last 150 meters more to run. We have My Lady Hannah by about 2 lengths. Serikit is on the outside. Royal Scepter, but it's still My Lady Hannah. Second is Serikit, Royal Scepter, Teritun. Then comes Power of the Wind, My Sweet Swanee.
Tingin ko nga yung gaan ng dala ang nagpanalo dito kay